For more than 100 years, Kellogg has created cereals with simple grains and only a handful of other ingredients, plus vitamins and minerals. Let's follow the journey of wheat as it goes from the ground to becoming a bowl of Kellogg's all-brand cereal on your breakfast table.
My name is Marty, and I'm a farmer. I've always wanted to farm. When I was growing up, I used to ride along with my grandpa.
Well, this is a family farm. It was started in the 1940s by our grandfather. What's important is people understand where their food comes from. And I think that they understand that those of us out here that grow the food, we take a lot of pride in making sure that our food is top quality.
It's just how we were brought up to try and do things right. The wheat goes from a single seed and it grows into what we're standing in front of right now. And we'll harvest it. And then at that point, we'll haul it to the mill.
The miller then takes the wheat bran and delivers it to Kellogg, where we turned it into cereals that have been family favorites for generations using simple methods. In fact, the way we make all bran could be envisioned in your own kitchen. We take our wheat bran and create dough with sugar, malt flavoring, and salt, and fortify it with vitamins and minerals. After it cools, the dough is shredded and lightly rolled, and then toasted until crisp. And from there, we deliver it to your bowl. It's that simple.
It's very fulfilling to know that everything that we work hard for all year long ends up on breakfast tables across the country.
Begin each day with the goodness of a simple grain. Start simple, start right.